Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making over some modern day butter pats. So I thrifted these at my local thrift store. I think it was Goodwill. I can't remember, there's quite a few I go to, but these are just modern butter pats. I think the sticker said the decor store. They are ceramic and I really liked the detail and the scalloped edges, but they're a little too plain. So we're going to take some IOD transfers. This is the millets pages, and these have bugs, florals, mushrooms, eggs, veggies, a whole bunch of stuff. And these pages are big and they're jam-packed. So I felt like this is one of the better bangs for your buck as far as transfers go. But we're going to use the mushrooms out of the this transfer booklet. So these are the 4 I chose, and then I really liked that they each had their own little number. I don't know, it's a nice little detail added. So I cut those out, and if you've never used transfers before like this, you peel off the backing. There's usually a grid so you can make sure your image is straight, and it is slightly tacky, so when you put it in place it will stick and hold on. And then every booklet comes with this hard paddle to rub your transfer on. So you're going to rub, and then you'll test it by lifting up, and if your image comes off or releases from the vellum paper, the translucent page, you're good to go, and you just kind of keep rubbing. And then I flip it over and rub the rest just to make sure all my edges are down. So I'm going to do that to all 3 or all 4 I should say butter pats. So now that these are all down, I am going to seal these in, because you do have to seal them in with something. So we are going to use my tried and true Folk Arts antiquing wax, and we're going to use an antiquing brush, and which is kind of a stiff bristled brush. Had a little bit of crustage there on my jar. But we're going to go through and wax each one of these, and I'm going to let the wax sit on there for a few minutes, and then we're going to wipe it back. And what was kind of nice surprise doing this, which is the effect you are doing when you do with milk paint or what have you, is the wax ended up highlighting some crazing in the glaze that I didn't know was there. And so it really did help accent it. And the purpose was to get the darkness into the little crevices of the flower and make these look older than they really are. And I really like how these turned out. And this is your friendly reminder that if you like what you see here, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe so you don't miss future videos. So this is the finished look. I really am happy with how these came out. They're just the right amount of patina. They're just enough grunged up that they don't look too new. And I just love the color combos. I think all 4 look together as a set, look great together. But these will be listed individually in my Etsy shop. So if you want these or need these in your life, they are there and available for pickup if nobody else has already grabbed them. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please remember to give me a like and a subscribe and a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one.